Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting our hands on a series piece of surveillance hardware. This is the Equation 64 channel 4K NVR from their professional series. In This is a 9600 series embedded NVR, and in this video we are going to take it out the box and load it up with the 4 Seagate 10 TB hard drive and rack mount it and get through the initial setup. So let's get started. Let's start unboxing the NVR. So the first thing I like to grab is the accessories box. So let's see what is inside. So here we have a standard accessories, the rack mount, ears and screw for installation, and there is power cable and the front panel key, which is essential accessories for hard drive base, a USB mouse, the power cord, quick start guide. All we will need the most of them shortly. Now let's pull out the main unit. This thing has some weight to it, so removing the protective wrap, so we can take a closer look. So this is 2U rack mount chassis and it feels incredible solid. Looking at the front, so we have a clean professional layout. Here is the power button and the USB 2.0 port for a quick data export or connecting mouse we just saw, and the status indicator LEDs. And you will also notice the key lock here on the top. So this secure front panel prevent unauthorized access to the hard drive. Flipping it around the back, we see the connectivity. So there is a power supply and alarm input and output, and also we have USB 3.0 two ports and VGA RS32 port, and VGA there is dual, and HDMI also there is dual outputs, then audio video outputs, dual LAN port and eSATA port. So this allow network redundancy, critical for 64 channel system. Now for heavy lifting, literally we are installing 4 Seagate 10 TB hard drive. So these are specifically designed for surveillance with the CMR technology. So grab the key from the accessories box, just insert here, turn, and the front panel swing open. Now as you can see on the left and right side, there is a red button which you need to push and hold, and the panel will open. So behind this you can see the 8 hot swappable drive trays ready for installation. These chassis can hold up to 8 drives, but we are starting with the 4 for this build and giving us a 40 TB of RAW. So this black strip, this is for hard disk holding, which is coming with accessories box. So let's open one hard drive and I will show you how to fix. So this is a Seagate Skyhawk 10 TB hard drive, which is 1 mAh MTBF, designed for high write duty cycle across high Skyhawk, and 256 MB data buffer and 7200 RPM speed, and streaming video command support across Skyhawk. Best in class acoustic performance means virtually silent operation. The main thing is built-in error recovery for non-stop video streaming. So this is one of the important things for CCTV 24/7 recording, and delivers zero drop frame while supporting heavier workload. So let's fix this hard disk holder. So as you can see, on the both side the hard disk holder is screwed, and this tray support toolless installation, but I prefer a secure thumb with a included screw for extra stability in a rack environment. It helps minimize vibration over time. So once the drive is secured, we simply slide the tray back into the bay. So make sure it seats fully. Then lock the handle into place. So when you insert the hard drive, you will hear a satisfying click when it is properly connected to the backplate. We will repeat the same process for remaining 3 drives, loading them into the tray and secure them and sliding them home. So with all 4 drives installed, we can close the front panel and lock it back up. Now the system is ready for the rack. So make sure after closing the front panel, make sure it is locked properly. Time to rack it up. So we will grab the mounting ears from the accessories box and attach them to the side of the NVR. Just align the hole and screw it. So after this, slide it into the rack and align the holes using the provided screw and cage nuts. So we fasten it down. So this keep the unit secure and ensure proper airflow, which is critical when you are running the multiple 10 TB drive 24/7. So hardware is installed, and let's power it on. So we will plug the network cable and power cord, hitting the power switch, and we have light on the front panel. So I have connected the monitor to the HDMI port. So let's start the initial setup. So first asking for date and time. Just select the exact date and time. Click next. Then network setting to assign a static IP address or DHCP. So with a dual network on this model, you can set up one port for camera traffic and one for the remote view to keep your network efficient. As 10 TB. As you can see, the system has detected all four Seagate drives. So each show as 10 TB because this is the M8 series. So it support advanced rates setup if needed. So but today we are keeping it simple. So we will select all of them and click initialization. Is done, the status. So this prepare the driver for recording. So once this is done, the status will change to normal and we are ready to record. See, the NVR already detected cameras on the same network. From here, you can select them and click add to bring them into the system. So you will need to enter a camera's password and just like that, you will have a live video. Now the full camera setup, including position, fine tuning, the image setting, and configure recording schedules, takes some time. So I'm going to cover all of that in a detail in a separate video. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. The last piece is remote access. Uh, so all you have to do is download the HIC Connect app on your phone, scan QR code, and enter verification code. Within second, the NVR is linked to your account, and you can view camera remotely. Again, I will do a full deep dive on HIC Connect setup in that upcoming video, including user permission and push notification. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any doubt related to network, server, or CCTV camera, biometric system, and PABX telephone system, if you have any doubt, you can comment. I'm happy to help you. And I have a community in YouTube. So if you have any doubt, you can ask there. So I will help you.